If you use Grammarly every day, there's a setting you may want to check called Product Improvement and Training. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable it in Grammarly, whether you're using a personal account or a Grammarly business account. This is a quick and simple walkthrough, and by the end, you'll know where to find the setting and how to turn it on the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Let's start with a personal Grammarly account. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the account you normally use for Grammarly. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see an option called Account. Click on that, then go to Settings. From there, open the Privacy tab. This is where Grammarly keeps the options related to how your data is used. Now look for the setting called Product Improvement and Training. This option controls whether Grammarly can use your content to improve its product and train its systems. If you want to enable it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once it's turned on, Grammarly will apply that preference to your account. That's all there is to it for personal users. Now, if you're using a Grammarly business or organization account, the process is a little different, but still very easy. Start by logging into your Grammarly business admin account at app.grammarly.com. After you sign in, go to the admin panel from the main dashboard. This is where organization level settings are managed. Next, click on Organization, then select Data Settings. In this section, you should see the Product Improvement and Training setting for your team. If your organization wants to allow this, toggle the switch to enable it. Once it's turned on, the setting will apply according to your team's configuration inside Grammarly Business. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct admin account and that you have the right permissions to change organization settings. Sometimes, business dashboards can look a little different depending on the account type or admin role, so checking those details can save you time. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable product improvement and training in Grammarly for both personal and business accounts. It only takes a few clicks, but it's important to know exactly where to find it so you can manage your privacy or team settings properly. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.